One, it's your girl, hey, planner girl, hey, and today I'm going to show you my Happie Scrappie kit, and it is the January 2009 personal wide rings, and it's called You Are Just My Type. So I'm so excited, and I love Happie Scrappie. So let's see what's inside. A couple things. What's really great about Happie Scrappie is you get different envelopes and they're all at random, so it's kind of cute. So this one has Boba Bear on it and I love him. I love a bear. I'm so excited. And then it says Cuddles in a package and there's all these hollow stars, and that's what I love about Happie Scrappie. Her packaging is just off the chain. Like, check that out. Like, it's off the chain, and no, you are not going to throw this away. So I already opened it, but I'm going to show you what's inside, and I just love the packaging so much. So I'm going to pull it all out, and that's that. It's so super cute. I'm going to let him stay right there. And let's open the stuff first. So first thing is, now I need to change, like I already emailed them, so I'm kind of waiting because I don't have a personal wide ring anymore. I'm now using a mini Happie planner, and they have the size of the inserts. The only thing is you have to punch your pages yourself, which is fine. So let's see what we get. So the first thing is you get inserts. So when you subscribe, you can pick your inserts, and she has so many inserts that you can choose from according to your planner and what your planner life and goals are. So mine is the personal wide rings that I had, and so like I said, I'm going to change it and just everything. And this is always a collab with Annie Plans. So here we have this cute typewriter, and on the typewriter it has different sayings like change, love yourself, dare, presence, balance, embrace. And what's nice is they're all different. They're not the same and they're not repeating. And so you get two of them. And so, and what I love is if you look at her Insta stories, like she is, this is not like a shop in her basement. This is her office, and she has these industrial paper cutters and punchers. So that's super cool. And then you have these cute little macaroons, a fox, penguin, panda, little mousy, and you got this really cute teal color. So I love this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to still use it in my personal wide, or I might just washi the sides and then punch them and put them in my mini. So there's that. And here are some of the inserts. So there's the mouse macaroon, some to-do list, checklist, and then you really make it however you want it to be. So I think that's super adorable. And you get quite a few. And then we move on into some more inserts, and they're all colored, and this is a dot grid. So if you like to bullet journal, and a little typewriter, and there's a black one. So that's really neat. Love her paper. And same thing, I would just cover up the holes, punch them from my Happie planner. The only thing is with the Happie planner is the height of the paper. So here is a piece of a mini wide Happie planner official paper, and then here's a Happie Scrappie. So as you can see, you lose out on some height and some width. So that's the downfall, and you know, I hope they change my subscription for the next one in February. If not, I'm just going to cancel it and start fresh, and then just make sure I get my mini Happie planner inserts. So there's that, and you get quite a bit, you know, you get quite a bit of inserts for your month, and you can do whatever you want. You can hoard them, you can use them, and so I really like that. I like to put things back into the band if I can, and I'm struggling. The struggle is real. Planner struggles are real, okay? So there you go. So there's that. And then, oh my gosh, this is why I love her stuff, and I hope she adds more stuff to the kit. That's how greedy I am. So you get this gold hollow foil vellum, and everything I love. Teapots, macaroons, tea, bears. It's just, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys. This is just out of control. And then you get some hollow typewriter foil. That's adorable. And then the one thing that the artist says, and I need to get her name because this is my second kit. Her favorite thing on her Instagram stories was that she loves these typewriters, and I can see why. They are adorable. Like how cute are they, right? And then even more cute with this hollow foil on it. So I love that. And on the back is these cute plus signs in gray and white. It's really cute. It should be like wallpaper in my house. It'd match with my decor. And then you get a second sheet of this scrapbook paper. Then the other scrapbook paper looks like this, and this time the vellum print is all in color. And just admire that, eh? Like how fabulous. Oh, and the inside, this is too adorable. Again, this should be like wallpaper for a house. You get these really cute things. Look at that. Selfish, thrive, hope, joy. So it's kind of funny. Dream, pause. I love it. Love, love, love. So you get 2 of those. So I mean, when you get your Happie Scrappie kit, you get quite a bit of foil and scrapbook paper. It's so worth it. Alright, next on the list is, now she has a few subscription kits. Like you can get a pen kit, and I've seen other people on YouTube where their pen kit, like you get a box full of pens, and I'm not there yet because I have a bunch of pens. I have a ton of pens, and this is just a little bit of all the madness that I own. So, and those were all Planner Society pens. So here you get a U pen, and let me just focus. There we go, kind of. Come on, come on. There we go, kind of. No, not really. This is the struggle. The struggle, you guys. Come on. No, it's still not focusing. Still not focusing. And it's focusing. Okay, so here's the pen. And there you go. It's a 0.35 millimeter pen. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to get some paper. And I'm just going to quickly draw a heart. So really nice, really thin. I love that. I love thin pens. The only thing is, like, I would have to make sure not to like press on it really, really hard. So really nice pen. And on her kits always come with a pen, so this is really cute. And it's sort of, mine's like a blush pink. And then she gave us a refill too. How cute is that? So this refill goes in here, or you can change the design on the inside, she said on her Instagram stories. So I mean, you know, this subscription kit is just off the chain. Off the chain. Okay, so let's get back. I'm just gonna pull this all out. So she added a notepad, which is really cute, and it has her favorite, the typewriter, and you get a bunch of notes, and they're not sticky notes, which is kind of nice and different. So they're just regular notes you can kind of add, and I love that because I have so many sticky notes. So love, love, love. And on the back it's blank, but I'm sure like if you were to add it to your Happy planner or any planner, you can just kind of washi the back. So that's neat. Here is a bunch of let's see, like checklists, and they're super cute. It features the macaroon characters. Then you don't just get one sheet of hollow foil dated stickers, you get 2, and then you get a blank one. And then she added the like clear monthly months, and then a couple other tabs that you can use. So let's just look at these ones and admire the hollow sparkly, amazing shit. As she says, hashtag sparkly shit. So I love that. And the fonts are that typewriter font here. It says sparkly shit. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. Holy crap. She is just freaking amazing, you guys. Sparkly shit right there. And then I'm gonna keep that one forever. And then at the bottom, I think they're blank. Yeah, these ones are blank. And then here you get the same thing. And then here are the, like, they're just tabs. So what she was saying is you can take one of these clear labels and then you can add them to your tabs. So I think that's neat. I don't know if I'll really do that. I don't know how it will look. I think it looks beautiful the way it is. So there's that. And then we have a half boxes, and they're super cute. I love this teapot. It's just giving me life. And sorry about my nails. Girl, I don't have time for that. So there's that. And then these are so freaking cute. They are hollow, like note stickers, and they're all matte, by the way. So they're so nice. I guess if you're gonna use them, you have to use like a Sharpie pen to write on them because they are pretty glossy and matte. So there's that. And then you get some dated stickers for your month. So maybe if you're doing your monthly, you can do date cover-ups, or if you don't have an actual calendar, you can just add your days. And then here are some tabs. So this is what's neat about the tabs. They all are connected. So I guess if in your planner you want to connect them, have them sticking out, so that's cute. And then those are the characters. So you get like 6 tabs to fold, or you can cut them, whichever. And then again, like she said, she loves this typewriter, so she didn't just add 1 with gold hollow foil, but 2 with gold hollow foil, and that's super nice. So even, I guess you can take some of these and like add them at the top of the typewriter, so that's really neat, really neat. And last but not least, we have some box stickers, and I love them so much. I wish we had more of these. And when you subscribe, she sends out these freebies, and she mails them out to you, so you can make your own die cuts. So I'm planning on doing that when I get some time. But these are just absolutely fabulous. So yeah, you guys, this is totally not sponsored. This is totally fan-based, that I'm sharing with you her kit. Check it out if you get a chance. It is stunning. And I'm just gonna do a little photo op. I'm gonna set up for my little photo op. So if you get a chance, check out her subscription. Happie Scrappie, if you're listening, I love you. You guys are amazing. And yeah, I'm so excited. I hope I get my mini happy planner changed to my kit. And if not, I'm just gonna like redo my subscriptions so I can make sure that I do get it, because my mini needs some of the sparkly shit in it, especially the inserts. So I love that so much. And then here's the pen, which I will add in here. And some of the inserts. I think I'm just gonna leave that there. And there we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe, please and thank you, please. And please make sure you like my video and leave a comment, and let me know if you subscribe to any cute subscription boxes, because I love this stuff. I love Floral, I love the Planner Society, but this is just calling my soul. So anyways, have a happy day. Thanks for watching. Bye.